today and I kind of wanted to give it some break time. I'm liking this style, weird enough, but I don't think I can pull it off, you know? Like, it's so 50-50, so we're just gonna color it. So surprisingly, the toner worked really well this time. Like, it's so ashy. It's the first time I'm seeing my hair like this, so I'm kind of in shock as well, but then I'm like, who the hell is this? I don't know. I mean, like, if you see, the roots are still quite yellow, but the ends are white. So I'm pretty sure the color is gonna be picked up really well. So for the roots, I'm gonna go in with Radiant Raspberry. There. And then for the rest, I'm thinking I'm gonna try this conditioner slash color method that I've been kind of seeing. I've never actually done it, just because I've always wanted it really bright and pigmented before. But this time we're gonna try to go more subtle, and just because it's gone this blonde, I'm pretty sure this should work. So I'm going to be using the rose. Where are you? Do you see it? There. So that in rose, and then the Flamingo Ion Brights Flamingo shade. So these two, and I'm gonna mix some conditioner in here and see how that goes. Yeah, so keep on watching. To completely do it because it felt like forever that I was doing this, but I did the Radiant Raspberry in my roots and ended up with the Rose and Flamingo at the ends with conditioner. This is what it looks like once applied. I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and then hop into the shower and I will be back. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I'm loving it so much. I mean, the ends are definitely much brighter than I expected, but how like it kind of goes from like that really nice fuchsia color to like really light pink. Love it! It's actually the first time it's kind of come out exactly like how I wanted it, so super excited. Yeah, so yeah, I'm like stunned. I love that it's kind of, you know, I like the look it gives me when I have it curled. I just don't know, like I tried it when it was kind of straightened as well, but love it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me experiment with my hair and seeing how it came out nice. If you are gonna go give this a try, let me know. Leave comments down below what you do think of this hair color on me. Does it suit me? Does it not? What do you think? I don't know. I'll let you guys in probably soon as well if it does fade out, and how, like, after how many washes as well. So I'll probably give you guys an update. So don't forget to subscribe so you do stay updated. You know, that's how it is. So